That milder air is going away, however. We have colder conditions on the way tonight, resulting in more typical February weather coming tomorrow afternoon. Right now, though, we're still above freezing, and that is key across the state line as some drizzly conditions are possible later tonight. Of course, if we're below freezing, we could see that freeze into ice. Still a slight chance for some freezing drizzle overnight, so watch out for some slick spots in the morning. We're not necessarily seeing any kind of widespread iciness or very thick ice accumulations. It'd be a patch or two out there, so just watch that first step just in case. We'll be above freezing again tomorrow afternoon, but definitely not as warm as what we experienced as of today. Satellite and radar showing the colder air starting to sweep on through. You can see that cold front is slowly moving into the region. Eventually that colder air will catch up with us, and as that moves in, there could be some drizzly conditions with that. Now, so far, radar has been fairly quiet. The air has been fairly dry, so that bodes well to not seeing any kind of iciness overnight. We'll definitely watch this closely, but keep in mind there could be a spot or two that get just enough drizzle to cause some icy spots, so we're going to hold on to a slight chance for now. For the most part, cloudy, breezy, and cooler weather coming overnight with a low of 26. Note the winds gusting up to 30 miles per hour, so things are definitely looking breezy by the time we get to tomorrow. And as we look at the temperature map, you can see how chilly the air is behind that cold front, down into at least the 20s. We're not going to drop down into the single digits like you see across northern Minnesota. That does show the source of that colder air, which again slides through into tomorrow. So the result is temperatures down to 33 for a high, a lot closer to average for this time of year. That's a good 10 degrees colder than where we were today and nearly 15 degrees colder than yesterday. So quite the change of pace coming, along with breezy winds like keeping wind chills down into the 20s, while a mainly cloudy sky throughout the course of the day. Very similar to that stretch of cloudy and cool weather that we just got out of. We saw that a lot last week, and we'll see a lot more of it moving forward here. And that'll be a theme possibly through the middle of the month. The Climate Prediction Center does show near to slightly cooler average than average weather favored into the middle of February. So we're kind of right on the fringes here. If anything, we may just end up near average, which means a lot more of these low 30s during the day and 20s at night. You'll see that in the extended forecast. We'll be on another one of those streaks again. Also looking at future track, we do have a chance for some snow shower activity. You can see into Wednesday afternoon, some heavier snowfall taking aim at central Illinois. If this tracks more to the north, we could see some of that move on through, but right now may just get brushed with some lighter snowfall going into Wednesday night. May not start until late Wednesday night, however. Here we are early Thursday morning, seeing some light snow shower activity that may last through sunrise Thursday. So the end of the week could be a little more wintry with additional snow showers on the way. Keep in mind, accumulating snowfall definitely possible later this week. So that'll start up as of late Wednesday night. We do have a chance for that to still track northwards. We'll have to keep an eye out for that. Stay up to date on the forecast moving forward. So looking at the 7-day outlook, holding steady in the 30s. Once we have that colder air come on through, we do have temperatures down into the teens going into the overnight hours. And that's your weather forecast. We'll be right back.